Good morning, students. So we last class we discussed about the topic is what is the okay. That topic is some problems is based on the strain and stress, engomoness, okay, etc. We discussed in the last class. So they discuss the another chapter, new chapter. So system of the particles and rotational motion. System of particles and rotational motion. So system of in this chapter, so we discuss what is the center of mass, what is the center of gravity, okay, what is the velocity, okay, so rotational velocity, okay. So and also we discuss the parallax theorem and perpendicular axis theorem, and what is the momentum of inertia. Okay, what is the moment of inertia, and also we deal with the law of conservation of the linear momentum, etc. We discuss in this chapter. Now today we discuss about the topic is what is the center of mass, what is the center of gravity, what is the difference between center of mass and center of gravity. Okay, so now here center of mass. Center of means the total mass of the system concentrated at one point is called as a center of mass. Okay, center of mass. So this is called as a chalk piece or body. So whole mass of the body is concentrated at one point. Okay, is called as a center of mass. Center of mass. That is called as a CM. Center of mass. Okay, so the point at which the entire mass of the system, mass of the body, mass of the system concentrated at one point is called as a CM, center of mass. Okay, center of mass. And the center of gravity, so what is the center of gravity? Center of the gravity is nothing but, so the total weight of the body, total weight of the body be concentrated at one point is called as a CG, center of gravity. Okay, center of gravity. And so the total weight of the body is concentrated at one point. Or supposed at one point is taken, that is called as a center of gravity. Now, so here the center of the mass is independent of gravity. Okay, center of mass independent of acceleration due to gravity, small g. Okay, independent of acceleration due to gravity. But center of gravity is depending on depends on small g, acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so it is a independent of acceleration due to gravity. It is a depend on acceleration due to gravity. And so now another point is taken. So that is called as a it may or may not lies inside of the body. Inside of the body. But here always inside of the body. Always inside of the body. Always inside of the body is taken. Here it is or maybe inside or outside of the body, center of mass. But center of gravity always inside of the body. ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తువు యొక్క లోపల మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. కానీ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ అనేది ఓకేనా. సో ద్రవ్యరాశి అనేది బయట ఉండొచ్చు, లోపల ఉండవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈజ్ టేకెన్ ఒక సర్క్యులర్ ఒక బాడీ తీసుకుందాం అనుకున్నాం, ఒక స్పియర్ తీసుకున్నాం, ఎంప్టీ స్పియర్, ఇన్సైడ్ ఆర్ ఎంప్టీ బాడీ, ఎంప్టీ మాస్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద మాస్ ఇస్ టేకెన్ అవుట్ సైడ్, but the center of gravity is always inside of the body. always inside. Okay, so now another taken. So the center of mass so deals with the, okay, so center of mass and so the concept are useful. Center of mass concept useful. Okay, center of mass concept useful and so is deals with the, okay, so motion of the body will deals with the motion of the body. Center of gravity is taken. So center of gravity is, okay, so that is useful or suitable for and is deals with the stability of the body. His main point is taken. So deals with the stability of the body. Stability of the body. Okay, here so the motion, describe the motion of the body. Motion of the body. Okay, got it. Right. So for example, small bodies is taken. Small bodies. Small bodies. Center of mass and center of gravity is coincide. Okay, got it. So small bodies is taken, center of mass, center of gravity coincide. But here, center of gravity. So large bodies is taken. Large bodies taken. So it is, does not coincide of the center of mass and center of gravity. Okay, got it. So now here, what is the difference between the center of mass and center of gravity? Very, very most important topic. So the whole mass of the body is concentrated at one point is called as the center of mass. Whole weight of the body is concentrated at one point is called as a center of gravity. And so it is the center of mass is independent of the gravity, but center of mass is always independent of the gravity. Okay, center of gravity is always independent of the gravity. Okay, and it is the may or not lies inside of the body, but is always center of gravity is always inside of the body, and it is taken deals with the or that is center of mass. Okay, center of mass are useful or deals with the motion of the body. Center of gravity is deals with the stability of the body. Okay, got it. Stability of the body. So the small body, center of mass, center of the gravity is coincide, but here not coincide. Okay, got it. The next one topic, vector product. Vector product and properties. And give the examples. So vector product. So vector product means the product of any two vectors. Product of any two vectors. So for example, A cross B is the product of vectors. Okay, product of any two vectors is the product, and here taken for example A cross B is equal y mod B and sin theta is angle between them. Okay, that is called as a vector product. So vector product means, so here given any two vectors, okay, is the magnitude and sine angle between, including sine angle. Okay, so including the sine angle is taken between the two vectors is called as a vector product. Vector product. Okay, got it. So the vector product is means so the any two vectors of the product of any two vectors is equal to the magnitude of the two vectors. Magnitude of the product of two vectors and sine angle between them. Sine angle between them is called as a vector product. And so the properties of the vector product is taken. So the first property is taken. Okay, if we consider the two vectors are parallel, if we consider the For example, or so first of all is taken, so that is called as the two vectors. Okay, so that is does not obey commutative law. Commutative law. So that is called as A cross B is equal not is equal B cross A. Okay, so that means so here vector product does not obey the commutative law. Okay, so that is example is taken A cross B is not equal to B cross A, and so obey the anti-commutative law. So A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. Okay, got it. A cross B is equal minus B cross A, and so vector product obey the distributive law. So that is A cross B plus C is equal A cross B plus A cross C. Okay, we can write A cross B plus C is equal A cross B plus A cross C. That is the obey the distributive law. And if we construct the two vectors are parallel, two vectors are parallel to each other. So the angle between theta is equal 0. Okay, so that is means A cross B is equal AB sin theta. Theta is equal 0 because here given that two vectors are parallel. Okay, so A cross B, sin theta is sin 0 is equal 0. 0 into something also 0. Okay, so the two vectors are parallel, so the vector product is minimum or 0. And so another is taken if the two vectors are perpendicular to each other. So that is A cross B is equal to AB sin 90 degrees. So sin 90 is equal 1. So AB, that is called as a maximum. So vector product of two perpendicular vectors is taken. Okay, normal vectors are perpendicular vectors. So the vector product is maximum. And also, so another property is taken. I cross I, J, K are vectors of along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Okay, I, J, K are unit vectors or vectors along the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Okay, so that is means I cross I is equal, J cross J is equal, K cross K is equal to 0. That means I square is equal, J square is equal, K square is equal 0. Okay, and I cross J is equal to K, and J cross K is equal to I. Okay, K cross I is equal to J. Okay, so this is called as a properties of the vector product. So the best examples of the vector product are now is equal R cross F. Okay, F is called as a force, R is called as a sthana sadisha, position vector. F is called as a force vector, R is called as a position vector. So the product of position vector and force vector is called as a torque. That is called as a torque is also force. Okay, torque tau is equal R cross F is the best example of the vector product. Okay, got it. scalar and vector products. Vector products of two vectors. Two vectors. A is equal to 3i minus 4j y plus 4k. And B is equal minus 2i plus j minus 3k. Okay, find the scalar and vector. Okay, so find the scalar and vector products of the two vectors. A is equal to 3i minus 4j plus 4k and B is equal minus 2i plus j minus 3k. So for example, if you take an A is equal axi plus ayj plus azk is taken, and so B is equal bxi plus byj plus bzk is taken. Okay, so this is called as a dot product. Okay, so there is a scalar product, dot product or scalar product. So ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Okay, but in a vector product, a cross b is equal, okay, a cross b is equal I j k, ax bx, sorry, ax ay az bx by bz is taken. Okay, so first of all, these two rows are cancelled. Okay, remaining this one. So first these two multiplication, so minus of these two. Okay, got it. So I is taken, ay bz minus, this row is completed, ay bz minus by az. Okay, so minus j is always j taken or right minus. Okay, so j row is cancelled. So remaining ax bz minus bx az is taken plus k. So k row is cancelled. So remaining these four, ax by minus bx ay is taken. Okay, got it. So that is here taken dot product ax bx is taken. So 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. Okay, so that is called as a minus 6. So minus 4 into plus 1. So minus 4. So plus 4 into minus 3. So 4 3 ja 12 minus 12. So 12 plus 4. 16, 6 plus 4, 10, 22. So 3 2 ja 6. So 4 1 ja 4 minus 4. So 4 3 12. So minus 12. So that is called as a minus 22. Okay. So minus 22. A dot B. And so a cross b is taken. A cross b is equal I j k 3 minus 4 plus 4 minus 2 1 minus 3. Okay, I. So 4 3 ja 12 plus 12 minus 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 minus j 3 3 ja minus 9. 4 2 ja 8 plus 8. So plus k. 3 1 ja 3. So 4 2 ja 8. So plus 8 is taken. Okay. So 12 minus 4 8 and so minus 9 plus 8 minus 1 that is the plus j is taken. And 8 plus 3 11. So 11k. So this is what is a vector product and scale product. So today class is over and we discuss the another class, so new topic. Okay, thank you students.